going on, everyone? Darkwater here, and welcome back to City Skylines. We are back in the town of Waterford, taking a look over here at the Smith Oil Group, and they're kind of going through and pulling out all kinds of oil out of here, and that's kind of going to be a problem. That's not what I want. That's what I want. So in the center here, everybody's pretty much through with extracting all the oil out of there. There's a bunch over where all the buildings are, of course. So we're going to have to start to get rid of some of these oil rigs and move them around a little bit so we can just kind of collect the rest of the oil in the area. It'll require moving a bunch of buildings, though. But currently there's not enough natural resources. We're going to have to take out some of these. Actually, take that back. I can move these a little bit more, so maybe we'll drop it in here. Needs to be a road next to it, of course it does. Let's extend this road out a little bit. And it looks like we're using the good old industrial road. Probably need to take the fence out. Grab it, we'll just take it down here. There we go. Can move you over into this area. I'd like to put you out here. We'll take a dirt road. We'll take it all the way out to kind of the edge of the border of the town that we have. There's a connections, natural resources. That's what we want. Take a road through there, and we'll take it up there. Take one along here as well. So start moving some of these around a little bit, just to try and maximize the amount of resources that we're getting out of it. You guys are the smaller ones, so tell you what, we're gonna get rid of these guys. We're gonna get rid of these roads. And I think we're gonna start to kind of move all of this down. Don't know what kind of a nightmare this is about to cause, but it'll be fun to find out. You are the small warehouse, so kind of drop you in right there. And the oil worker barracks, and we'll put right there. That'll work for now, and garbage is piled up. Well, we'll get that straightened out as well here in a little bit. You know what? I just want to leave you guys there. You're connected to town. Just drop you in over here. And figure out who has power, who doesn't have power. Who has water, and who needs water. Go ahead and do that. Let's take a look at power. You should have power, but you don't have power. Take that out. Across here and to here. everybody should have power? Yes. Let's come back in. And again, set up a couple of the large oil drilling rigs. There. There. A road right here. 2 roads back. We'll set that up just like so and come through, and you guys all have power. That's good. Garbage processing is not good. Let's drop over here. You guys are a bunch of incineration plants. So I think we need to carry that through as well. Tempted to do a waste transfer facility over here, as well as the waste processing complex. So let's take out Brook Street. And, we'll just take out all you guys for right now. And go ahead and drop in the waste processing complex there. Transfer facility is not going to fit there. It'll fit right there. Actually, think about doing them on this road. We'll do 3 there. That'll work. And then we could just kind of do a little bit more industrial there. And you know what? We'll even do some on that side. Next to the subway there. So all the trash trucks are rolling out. Hopefully this will help process some of the trash issues we've got going on. But processing status is increased quite a bit. So that'll help. Traffic's going to be a nightmare over here for the time being, but that's kind of understandable. So what do we need? 800 workers. What do we get at the next level? There's the offshore drilling platform. Ooh, the cracker plant. Because that was one of the other things that we needed, actually. I'm going to go through, just going to drop in a couple more of the rigs so that we can, don't want to say just go through and take it all out, but that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to go through and process as much as we can. What was the other building? Oh, there we go. We've got the cracker plant and a sneaker factory. Let's... Who doesn't have water here? You. Okay. Let's grab that, not that. I want the cracker plant. Must be placed inside the industrial area. Okay, we can put it right over here. So you're going to take oil, turn it into plastics. Once we get those plastics, we'll be able to move it on to one of the factories over here. I don't even remember which one it was. Printing press. You're a little short on paper, it appears. And this postal sorting facility. Absolutely backed up, it looks like. Bunch of trucks moving all over the place here. Now, on that note, how's our farm doing over here? So, farm seems to be going okay. We need 550. We're currently at 498. All the policies are up. We're making flour, we're making animal products. We're out putting 8 tons of crops. We could probably boost flour a little bit more, I think. Our Output is 0. But we've got a mill here, do we not? Or did I move it? Flour mill. There we go. So let's add a second flour mill. And see if we can't boost the amount of flour we're making. That'll also hopefully boost the number of people. Look at 45 workers. So we will let that go for the time being. And thinking about doing... maybe enlarging this town a little bit more? I mean, we do have the one high school, the elementary school over here. Elementary is dipping low. We're at 5,000. Capacity is only 6,000. So thinking about coming into this area, just kind of enlarging this little town, for lack of a better word. I'll tell you what, let's come in with 4-lane road. We're going to upgrade here. You don't need to necessarily exist. Come in and do... take out our power lines there. We'll do just a big swath of commercial. And I think we'll do a side street. I think maybe we'll come off here. Not directly off, but it's... ooh, didn't mean for it to be a one-way road. But I want some trees on it. So it's kind of a nicer main strip, if you will. And we'll do some... I don't want to do that much. Do some commercial here. Commercial down over here. We'll do a side road. One that way. One going that way. Probably do another elementary school kind of over on this end. We'll drop that one in there. We do have police over here. We do have fire over here. Healthcare. Got a medical clinic. And we do have crematorium. In fact, I'm going to drop a second one next door to it. Tell you what, let's tweak this road a little. Just had an idea. Okay, so we've got our roundabout on Primrose Street. I want to tweak this just a little. Not a massive hill right there. I want to put in the center. Where is the statue? And maybe this was a small town at one point, had kind of the lion's share of everything before the Waterford really grew up out there. Let's go ahead and get some pipes in here. We can start to fill through the area. Sewage treatment is going to be a thing we need to attend with in the near future. Go ahead and take this road, and I think we're just going to kind of... come over here, and we'll just kind of... just kind of come down next to the main street here. a little bit so that we can, you know, get it to connect. There we go. And let's just do some, little bit of residential zoning in here. So commercial there, we'll do commercial here. I don't want to do a little bit of maybe some apartments in here and over here. We'll just kind of take a main road up here. And then we'll just take this one down through here. Then over on this side, I think we'll kind of do the same thing, but just have it be a little bit straighter, if you will. Be probably maybe a little newer section of town. Oh, don't want it up there, that's for sure. That all can go, and that can go. So this will allow our elementary school to get a few more kids out here. Commercial is still kind of in demand. Maybe we'll do some commercial down over here. Just right along the edge of the border of things. And we'll just come through, fill through here with some commercial zoning also. So we will let that fill out. How are we doing over here? 502, so we still need quite a few people. Quite a few more workers. Trash is an issue out here because it is kind of such a distance. Trash truck's coming right now. What is... The flour output is still relatively low. We're producing all of our crops. We're not importing anything, which is nice. Got 49 overeducated workers. But this also might be just kind of a little far off for people, so maybe. No. Maybe we add another workers' barracks or two. Give people a place to live on site. So we'll let that roll through, see if that helps out. How is our oil doing up top? Ooh. You don't have water. Thought you had power, but apparently you do not. There we go. So trash is building up out here. seem to be doing okay. What's our status? It's fairly good. I think it's just kind of a little on the inefficient side right now. Oh, we don't have water here. There we go. And probably need to connect you guys. But we've got kind of a new little town square growing up here, which is nice. And this will start to fill out, and hopefully some of these workers will be able to make their way over here to the farm. Not enough electricity. So, tell you what, let's grab... Oh, hey, we've reached level 4. We've got a clothing factory, a farm maintenance building, a large barn, and a slaughterhouse. So, kind of want to add another... wind turbine to see if we can get the electricity up out here. That should take care of that, because we're going to do some expansion and possibly a little bit more rearranging of the farm area. But that's going to have to wait till next time. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys for being here and look forward to seeing you guys again in City Skylines. And as always, I hope you guys have yourselves a great day.